I have a video for you that I've been wanting to put out for a very long time. In fact, I have several videos that I'd like to share with you, and it's about what I have sold in very specific categories. And this video is about glassware, not just glassware like beverage glasses, but a whole lot of things that I've sold that are made predominantly from glass. So I hope you like this video. And if you do like it, be sure to give me a thumbs up and a comment, because I have ideas for doing other videos from what we've sold in very specific categories. So let me know if you like it or not. If you're new here, I'm Vicki with Avante-Avenue. Welcome to our channel. My husband Mark and I sell on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. This video is a little bit different. I'm not going to be popping in and out, and this video is all about glass. I'll see you at the end. So the single blue Indiana glass cubist pattern on offer for $15 plus shipping. Okay, Mark, what do you have here?
Well, I've got a bar glass.
A bar glass? It doesn't look like a bar glass.
Well, it's actually a vintage urine specimen bottle.
Oh, and you're touching that? It's been washed.
They're using these. They're using these as barware.
Barware. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you got?
And these Glenlivet whiskey glasses.
Two of them for $1.99. What do you have there, Mark?
McDonald's cups. Anchor Hawking Fire King.
Good morning, 50 cents, maybe 50 cents for the two or 50 cents each, but yeah, that's a nice find. Let's put them in the basket. Anyone know what this pattern is? It's wildflowers. That's the pattern on here. Do you know what brand it is? It's all right here. Corningware, and it has a number P104, and it's 6 cup. This is a little Corningware teapot. Right on top, there's a switchable gator. Basically, make sure what you ship matches the photos, grommets or no grommets. This is beautiful. I'd have a thought of keeping it, but then I would probably never use it, but it's beautiful. So a measuring cup. What's it say. Just measure and mixing picture. Doesn't have a brand on it, but it's old. It's not in great shape, but you know, sometimes these sell for about 20, even in this condition. All kinds of antiques. We've got this jar. Could be a tobacco jar. It's a clear vintage globe with lots of pattern, kind of a diamond pattern. We use the title of rare because it is. Art Deco, good keywords, and it's sold on offer for $20 plus shipping. It's in the back. I'm handing things off to Mark. I paid $3.75 at an estate sale, and it's sold for $20 plus shipping. Sold a little bud vase, and I'll have to show you a photo of it since I have it partially packed. I took it out of the box and flattened the box for shipping so I could pack it better. I think I paid $2 for it. Sold on offer for $20 plus shipping. Well, this is a pretty shade for the little handy dish. This don't go for a lot, but $15. That is a very pretty glass dish, but it doesn't have any chips. Can you do my second hand there?
Yeah,
So,
I guess that'll probably wash out.
Okay, I'll put that in my basket. $2, no idea what brand. I could Google image it and see, but I'm still going to put it at $24.95 plus shipping with make offer. All these beverage glasses, hazelware, Christmas glasses with the original box. I don't know. I like this kind of stuff, so maybe. I have to get way down here. Oh, I spotted over there. It's vintage anchor ovenware green glass baking dish. Sold for full asking price of $24.95 plus shipping, and we paid $1 for it. It's vintage Fiesta ware Libby striped drinking glass 32-ounce tumbler. Sold for $24.95 plus shipping. They paid $36.19. Blue, cobalt blue glasses made in France. Company is Luminarc, and we paid $4 at an estate sale, and they sold for $24.95 plus shipping. Isn't this just cute as can be? This little deer, this little fawn. This is made by Jeanette. It's considered depression glass. It's a little powder dish for face powder. Sold for full asking price of $24.99 plus shipping. Just rooting through this box down here. We found these pretty pieces of glass. Let me back up a little bit. Have no idea whatsoever who makes them, and none of them match. A little jelly jar, I guess, maybe sugar jar. So we got lots of stuff to look at today, and what do I find right away? It is a warmer. You put a tea light in the center. I found one new in box in Kingsport. Passed it up, found out it was worth about $29.95. This one's $2. So I might just get that for $2. Be the first thing in my basket. says Fenton bottle stoppers, $5. Oh, they're so gorgeous. And I sent an offer for $30 plus shipping, so that's what they sold for. So I did start these at $39.95, and they say on the bottom, Arco Rock. Found some little wine glasses here with a green stem. Quick search showed me they are Luminart, and it says made in France. I don't know if you can see that. For $1 each. I'm going to pick these up. So this lot of 4 mid-century modern Denby Arabesque moss green champagne or sherbet glasses on offer for $30 plus shipping. I paid $10 for this set of 3 glass jars with metal lids. Can't tell you a whole lot about them because there was no branding, but they sold for $31 plus shipping. We sold all of these bubble glass, blue bubble glass plates. We sold 3 lots of 2 or 6 plates total, sapphire blue dinner plates for $38.91 plus shipping. Here's the light pink one. I had a yellow one too, but it sold quite some time ago. Got this at a garage sale, all 3 for about $5. The keywords that I used for this ice bucket is vintage MCM for mid-century modern, Hollywood Regency. The brand is Culver Tyrol, and it's a gold gilded ice bucket. Paid only $2 for it, and it sold for $42 plus shipping. Starting to run out of room, so I'm putting things wherever I can. All right, 1 and 2 of 3, and the other one's back there. We had 2 2-count lots of Homeco, home interiors, Red Cathedral, votive cups. Sold both of them for $42.42. Plus shipping came to $74.23. These are Anchor Hawking, $3 for the box. if you like the video, let me know, and I'll make some more in different categories. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon. Be sure to subscribe.